everyone, today we will show you how to make these wonderful kalkals.
To begin, let's take 3 tablespoons of ghee in a small bowl. To this, let's add a quarter cup of semolina or suji. Mix this well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's take a large bowl and add 500 grams or half a kilo of all-purpose flour. Now we're adding 200 grams of powdered sugar. And a pinch of salt. Now we're adding 2 large eggs which are beaten up and a few drops of vanilla extract. Now let's add the semolina mixture. The semolina gives a nice grainy texture to the finished product. Mix well using your fingers to form a crumbly mixture. Now let's add about a quarter cup of coconut milk. You could use regular milk too, but the coconut milk just takes this dish to a different level. Transfer the mixture to a flat surface and work out the dough. Add flour if required and knead to form a firm dough. Now the dough is ready, so let's rest it for about 10 minutes.
Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into thin strips. Use a knife and cut the strip into smaller pieces. Roll these pieces of dough into small balls and set aside. Now it's time to shape the kalkals. Take a clean fork and gently press down the dough to take the shape of the fork. Slowly roll the dough to the tip of the fork and slightly pierce to seal the edges. Repeat the process for all the remaining dough until everything is used up. Now the kalkals are ready to hit the fryer. Preheat oil on medium heat and slowly add the kalkals. You can fry about 25 to 30 kalkals each time depending on the size of your pan or kadai. Fry on medium to high heat until crisp and golden. The kalkals are ready and it looks yummy. Top these kalkals with powdered sugar and enjoy it with your family and loved ones.
Hey everyone, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Right Kitchen. Jingle all